This episode of the Weekly Iron is brought to you by HD Construction Equipment, Hyundai North America. Visit Hyundai at ConExpo in the West Hall to see the unveiling of the first models of its next generation HX crawler excavators. And be sure to check out the 3-day operator challenge where each day's winner will receive $1,000. Visit Hyundai North America's website for more information. Hello and welcome to the Weekly Iron for Friday, January 23rd. Would you trust an engine maker to service your entire machine? Deutz is expanding nationwide service centers to handle full equipment maintenance. Frank Razon speaks to Spencer McHugh about strategy, warranties, and what's next. And Makinex debuted its forced action mixer at World of Concrete, designed to mix concrete, resins, and more on site. A removable liner enables fast changeovers, reducing cleaning time and cross-contamination. WM is deploying Caterpillar's remote control equipment on 2 U.S. job sites. WM President John Morris and CAT's Bob DeLong discusses how the program could pave the way to fully autonomous machines. That does it for this week. Catch us on the next Weekly Iron.